Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming power and blade choice because a steady motor and correct guard give predictable results. Once done, trim longer hair down to a manageable length to avoid catching. Make sure to comb and visualize the intended edge line. Lubrication reduces tugging and protects skin. Hold the trimmer at a slight angle and use short, controlled passes. This gives you precision and prevents overcutting. Keep breath steady and eyes at the same level to maintain symmetry. As you begin, once you have a base, remove the guard to define the line because bare blades create crisper edges. Start at the center of the area and move outward on both sides to maintain balance. This method avoids asymmetry. Make short, deliberate strokes and tilt the trimmer slightly to control line thickness. Pause regularly and check in a mirror from different angles to spot errors. If needed, switch to the trimmer tip for precise detailing around corners and curves to refine the shape. To finish, sweep away loose hairs and apply a light soothing balm to reduce irritation because calm skin heals faster. Inspect the entire edge under good light, looking for uneven spots, and use short, careful strokes to retouch those areas. If you experience snagging or pulling, stop and clean or oil the blades. A dull or clogged blade causes most problems. Make sure speed is appropriate for hair density, and if issues persist, swap in a fresh blade before continuing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.